In a professional kitchen, precision and versatility are everything. That's why our chefs rely on Mycook Pro, the tool that keeps pace with the real demands of an exacting kitchen. Total control in your hands. Adjust the time, the temperature, and the speed. Activate exclusive functions such as knead, turbo, or high temperature, and bring each preparation to the exact point you need. Includes everything you need to adapt to your recipes and optimize every step in the kitchen. Designed for quality recipes with quality ingredients, ensuring you achieve the very best outcome in your cooking. For precise cooking, we can activate the sous-vide function and place the special stopper. This achieves tender, juicy textures in meats, fish, vegetables, while preserving nutrients far better. Cook for long periods of time, up to 48 hours. When preparing desserts, we know how vital precision is. That's why Mycook Pro allows you to chop, grind, mill, grate, or mince to the texture you need, achieving homogeneous mixes that guarantee juicy, flavor-packed results. With Mycook Pro, we achieve flawless sauces from start to finish. From the initial grinding of ingredients such as Parmesan to a perfect final emulsion, as in pesto, preserving the texture, flavor, and color of fresh ingredients. All in a single step with the power and precision a professional kitchen demands. A single tool, all the functions you need in the kitchen. Create subtle, balanced broths thanks to its slow cook function. Use the splash-proof cover to keep the process clean and efficient while preserving the aroma. With the turbo function, blend and emulsify hot or cold soups into smooth, fine, and completely homogeneous results. Thanks to its stable temperature control, Mycook Pro allows chocolate to melt gradually and stay at the ideal temperature until ready to use, without losing texture, aroma, or shine. Knead easily and quickly at the touch of a button. It automatically reproduces manual movements, achieving perfect textures with patisserie quality results. Prepare an authentic Mediterranean sofrito with Mycook Pro, a function that combines two speeds, chop and stir, and reaches up to 140 degrees Celsius, thanks to its innovative induction technology, allowing you to regulate the temperature with absolute precision. Professional results, ready to serve and meet the demands of your kitchen.